Out of the 5,502 confirmed planets in our universe, you are standing on the only one with a chemical signature that defies all known laws of cosmic equilibrium. Yet, it is the only one we didn't name after a god. We named it after dirt. Let that sink in. Our world has 4.5 billion years of evolution and 326 million trillion gallons of liquid water. Astrophysicists calculate the odds of finding an exact duplicate of our world at 1 in 700 quintillion. It is a statistical, mathematical anomaly. And yet, historians and scientists are completely divided on a terrifying question. Why did our ancestors look at dead, toxic rocks in the sky and grant them divine supremacy, while stripping the most miraculous planet in the universe of any mythological title? To understand how bizarre this is, you have to look at the rules. By mandate of the International Astronomical Union, planetary naming conventions are strictly mythological. Jupiter is the king of gods. Mars is the god of war. Even dead, frozen dwarf planets like Pluto and Eris get divine titles. That is the established cosmic protocol. But this is where things get strange. When it comes to our own world, humanity collectively broke the rules. And the reason why is hiding a secret about our past. If you love uncovering the hidden truths of our universe, hit that follow button right now. Because what I am about to reveal next is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining the Deep Space Secrets community every single day. The mystery begins deep in antiquity. Thousands of years ago, Babylonian astronomers tracked a bright light they named Marduk, which the Romans later named Jupiter. By the 1400s, Copernicus proved a highly controversial theory. We were not the center of the universe. We were just another planet orbiting the sun. By 1919, the IAU was formed to standardize cosmic names. But the name Earth predates all of this. It comes from the 8th century Anglo-Saxon word erda. But why did the name stick when science proved we were a planet? I will tell you, but prepare yourself, because the truth is unsettling. For 99% of human history, we simply didn't know we lived on a planet. To the ancients, the word planet literally translated to wandering star. They were divine lights moving across the heavens. You don't name the mud beneath your feet after a celestial god. Earth is just a Germanic translation for ground. It is entirely satisfying, right? A simple case of ancient ignorance. But wait. Once the scientific revolution proved we were a celestial body in the heavens, why didn't we change the name to match the others? But here is where it gets crazy. Some rogue historians argue we did name it after a god, the Roman goddess Terra Mater, or the Greek goddess Gaia. Yet, the official English astronomical designation aggressively rejected those names. Why? A growing fringe theory suggests keeping the name Earth was a deliberate, psychological humbling of humanity. A stark, linguistic reminder to an arrogant species that despite our cosmic ascendance, we are literally made of stardust and dirt. I genuinely want to know what you think. Does the name Earth make us feel too disconnected from the magic of the solar system? Should we officially rename our planet to Gaia or Terra to finally join the cosmic pantheon? Or is Earth the perfect reminder of our humble origins? Drop your wildest theory in the comments below right now, because I am reading every single one. This affects how we see our entire place in the universe. Stay with me here. Psychologists call it nominative determinism, the idea that a name shapes destiny. If we call our planet dirt, we subconsciously treat it like a disposable resource. But if we viewed it as a celestial, divine body, the only known oasis of life in a cold, radioactive void, would we treat our biosphere differently? As astronomers use the James Webb Telescope to hunt for an Earth 2.0, the way we classify our own home will dictate how we conquer the stars. But here is the good news. What you are about to see over the next decade changes everything. We are standing on the edge of the greatest discovery in human history. NASA's upcoming Habitable Worlds Observatory is being designed with one specific mission, to map the atmospheres of alien Earths. We are maturing as a species. Soon, we might have the profound privilege of naming a second living planet. And when we find that alien world, gazing back at us across the light years, science dictates we will finally have to choose. Will we name it after a god? Or will we name it after its soil? Either way, humanity is waking up. We are no longer just looking at the ground. We are looking up. But Earth isn't the only naming anomaly in our solar system. Did you know our moon doesn't actually have a real scientific name? And the classified reason why involves a terrifying anomaly the James Webb Telescope just spotted on its dark side. We are covering that next. Thank you for watching and sharing your theories with us today. Remember, the universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next transmission.